Hi, in this episode we'll look at how can we unstage the changes. So this is the current situation of my repository. One file is modified, another is added or untracked. So I will stage them. This is a simple command. My changes are now staged. If I look at the status, so these two files are now staged, and I want to just get rid of them, and I will just use get reset. Now everything is unstaged. If we look at the status, now it's in the previous condition again. What if we want to get rid of these changes like unstage and get rid of them as well? So the first command, like the git reset, just removed it from the staging area. Let's add again them to the stage. Okay, and we can issue a command git checkout dot. So if I look at the status, nothing happened because the git checkout does not impact the items which are staged. So we will use git reset to unstage them, git status, so they are unstaged, git checkout dot. Now if we look at the status, so the file that were being tracked, all the changes are gone. Untracked file is still there, and we know we can use the clean command to get rid of these. So that's how we can reset the changes. So if I recap it, git reset unstage the changes, whereas git checkout dot will get rid of those changes. But the git checkout doesn't work on the files if they are in the staging area. I hope that makes sense. If not, please go through this video again.